Okay, so I am starting with SAP Cloud. So in SAP Cloud, first we have to set up the cloud environment, our development space. So there is a two different approach. So we can go with the space management or by BTP cockpit. This is called sub account. There is it. So there we have to go under services and marketplace. Here we can find out that SAP application studio, okay, by which you can go, or like directly I'm already opened. Yeah, so by creating that space, we have to click this one, and we have to give certain name. Yeah, I have chosen SAP HANA. So I'm just simply giving HANA underscore dev. So let me select all these up requisites. Yeah, so it won't harm anything, but it is better to we have to select all this workspace. Yeah, let's select all the way down. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so there will some default application also. Yeah, it's up to you, like how much you can select, but yeah, I'm just selecting all irrespective of whatever the application are existing. So it's been going to be start. Okay, so the status is right now start. It will be turned into running, then we have to that what happened, like there is a stop and start button, so we have to stop it or we have to start it. Okay, it will take certain time. Okay, it's taking a bit time. Yeah, it's running. So if we go to our HANA environment, and this is the workspace. Yeah, okay, so this is the start and welcome screen, and this is the area we have to work. So SAP HANA project, so we have to first create project, then we have to start our development.